Hey guys, what's up? This is What to Tech, and this is my unboxing of the Microsoft Surface Duo. Oh, and first impressions. The box itself is a nice, well-documented package that has a good amount of give before it finally lets itself go. Up front, we have the device facing us with the Microsoft logo prominently placed center with a nice silver finish. Let's see, underneath this we have our Microsoft supplied Duo bumpers to protect the device. Standard affair, SIM card remover and documents, USB-C charging block, I think it's 18 watt, and the corresponding USB-C cable for the whole shebang. It is amazingly light and super thin when folded out. It feels really good in the hand, a real premium device. On the side railing we have on top the volume rocker, power/sleep button, and we also have centered on the side a fingerprint reader. On the bottom we have one USB-C port, and of course on the other side we have our hinge, and there is no other ports anywhere else, and it looks like that's all box wise. Upon powering up, we're hit with a day 1 update, most likely addressing a lot of issues that I've read in reviews. This thing right here looks and feels good, honestly. By the time you're seeing this video, I've already been using it for 2 days, maybe 3. My SIM card's already inside of it, and I spent the whole first hour and a half actually just getting set up to how I like it. I like Halo. I played it a lot actually, and honestly, all I'm saying is I'm pretty excited about it. When you first boot up the device, I don't know if you saw on the home screen, or I'll mention this in the review as well again, but it really does try to represent itself as a Microsoft device on top of Android. And I got rid of all the Microsoft apps. I didn't like most of them, but one thing you may notice in here is that I'm using Microsoft Edge because, well, even though it's technically better now since it's based off the Chromium browser, or the Chromium whatever, Google Chrome didn't work well for the Microsoft Duo, at least not yet. It's not quite ready for foldables yet, not how Microsoft's doing foldables, and right now only Microsoft's own web browser is doing really well in that regard, so I'm forced to use that. Sorry. My SIM card's in this already. Expect a full review in about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks, so I can get a full deep dive into this thing. I just showed you guys my wallpaper earlier in case you want to see it again. Here you go. I'm thinking about when I'm actually using the device and using a full black wallpaper because it's an AMOLED display, so it's gonna benefit from that battery life, but black screens are pretty boring. Alright, so we're getting near the end here. Let me know what you guys want to see in the review. Drop down anything that you want me to check out in particular. I already kind of have a running theme what I want to go over. We're going to go over more than just the device, obviously. We're going to go over the product it is, the form factor, foldables, and Microsoft's take on foldables of its productivity aimed device. If you have anything you guys want me to check out, feel free to drop it down in the comments. I might miss some things, so if I see it, I think it's cool, I'll incorporate it into the next video. Alright? See you guys in the next one. Peace. It's a $1,400 metal glass tent. Nice.